Ready to take your tech game to the next level? Whether you're a student, a busy professional, or a tech enthusiast, there are a few software hacks that will save you hours every week, boost your productivity, and make you feel like a total tech pro. Stick with me for the next few minutes, and I'll show you 5 game-changing software hacks that will totally transform the way you work and play. First up, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. I know you've probably heard of these before, but the real question is, how well do you use them? If you're still grabbing the mouse for everything, it's time to change that. Trust me, learning just a few more shortcuts will completely change the way you navigate your computer. Let's start with the basics. Control-C to copy, Control-V to paste. But there's so much more. Did you know that on Windows, Alt plus Tab lets you switch between open applications instantly, while Windows plus D minimizes everything so you can quickly access your desktop? For Mac users, Command plus Tab switches between apps, while Command plus Space opens Spotlight, letting you search anything on your Mac: files, apps, even the web, instantly. Now imagine if you knew shortcuts for every app you use. Want to close a browser tab with Control plus W? Done. Switch between documents in Word with Control plus F6. Easy. The more shortcuts you learn, the faster you become. Master these and you'll be moving at lightning speed. Now let's dive into something that will really make your life easier. IFTIT, which stands for If This, Then That. If you're not using this, you're missing out on some major automation magic. IFTIT connects all the apps and devices you use so they can talk to each other and automate tasks for you. This is the true future of tech, getting everything to work together without lifting a finger. Want to automatically save all your Instagram photos to Dropbox or Google Photos? Done. How about getting a text message every time the weather forecast predicts rain? You can do that too. Or maybe you want to turn on your smart lights when you get home. Yep, you can do that too. It's super simple to use and it supports hundreds of services. Everything from social media apps to home automation tools. You can create applets to automate just about anything. The best part? It's free. Whether it's connecting your work apps or streamlining your personal tech, IFTTT will save you tons of time and effort. Next up is a must-know for multitaskers: virtual desktops. Let's be real, juggling multiple open windows at once is a mess. You've got work open, maybe a social media tab and an email window all crowded on your screen, making it hard to focus. That's where virtual desktops come in. With virtual desktops, you can create multiple workspaces on your computer, almost like having different desktops for different tasks. In Windows 10, just press Windows plus Tab and then click on New Desktop. Suddenly you have a whole new space to keep things organized. Now instead of bouncing between 20 tabs in your browser, you can have one desktop for work, another for personal tasks, and even a third for entertainment. On Mac, it's even easier. Just swipe with 4 fingers to switch between full-screen apps. This little hack is perfect for staying organized and focused, especially when you're juggling multiple projects at once. Trust me, once you get the hang of virtual desktops, you won't be able to live without them. Now, let's talk about cloud storage. We all know about Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive, but let me tell you, you're not using them to their full potential if you're just storing random files here and there. Cloud storage can be your best friend if you know how to use it efficiently. The first step: organize your files. Create a clear folder structure. Think of it as your digital filing cabinet. Have separate folders for work, personal projects, photos, documents, etc. Inside each, break it down further if needed. Organize by project or client and keep everything neat and easy to find. The key here is organization. The cloud is only helpful if you can find what you need in a few seconds. Next up, collaboration. If you're working with others, learn how to share files and folders. Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive all have sharing features, and these tools are ideal for collaboration. You can give others access to your files, set permissions, view or edit, and keep everything in one place. No more email chains with attachments flying around, just share a link and go. And finally, let's talk about task managers, the ultimate productivity tool. If you've been relying on sticky notes, handwritten to-do lists, or just hoping you remember everything, it's time for an upgrade. Apps like Todoist, Trello, and Asana are all about helping you stay organized, prioritize tasks, and boost your productivity. With task managers, you can break your big projects into smaller, actionable tasks. Whether you're planning a week of work or a multi-step project, task managers keep you on track. You can set deadlines, mark tasks as done, and even share projects with colleagues. Todoist helps you organize tasks by project, set priority levels, and sync everything across your devices. Trello, with its board and card system, is perfect for visual thinkers. You can track tasks through stages from to-do to done, with checklists, attachments, and comments for collaboration. And if you're working in a team, Asana helps you manage and assign tasks while tracking progress in real time. Task managers take all your scattered thoughts and make them actionable. Trust me, once you start using one, your productivity will skyrocket. So there you have it, 5 software hacks that will transform your tech game. Mastering keyboard shortcuts, automating your life with IFTTT, organizing with virtual desktops, mastering cloud storage, and using task managers will help you stay organized, save time, and work smarter. The best part? You can start implementing these hacks today and start seeing the results almost instantly. Give them a try and let me know which hack worked best for you. And remember, when it comes to technology, it's not about working harder, it's about working smarter.